Ito, player sa Cebu, 5-3 ang ginawa sa loob lamang ng 4 na minuto sa first quarter.
Next to Tumaon. Lapis for a wide open 3 points. First deadlock on the board. Okay, 9-all. 3 points. Third straight 3 points. Lapis 3 points. As the setters inside Pipito block. Compound pass.
Bang bang. Kalima. Yata na
Please, you're ready for Lapis in this first quarter. Setters.
Yata na
Number 1 clock.